My question, how does the weight of the plane affect how far it flies? If it does, how much tape would you need to apply for it not to fly at all? My hypothesis, there is a lot of tape and the plane will not be able to fly because the weight on the two sides will not be equal, and due to this the plane will go down on one side, causing it to fall. However, if there is a little bit of tape, then I believe the plane will still be able. Test 1 without tape was 261 inches. Test 2 with 2 layers of tape was 202 inches. Test 5 with 10 layers of tape was 100 inches. The last test was test 11 with 20 layers of tape went 84 inches. At first the plane flew pretty far. Every time I would test and see how far it would travel, and if it was really different than the other one, then I would test it again. After I did test 5, it got really different because it started going down and it came right back up. Went down for another test and it came back up. I did many tests to make sure this was the same, but it kept landing on the same numbers. The last number had landed on 84 inches. The reason I ended at that part was because the plane would not fly properly. It was always landed on the tail and brake. This represented lift because if the plane was normal weight, then the wings and the tail would be able to fly further and higher. But if the wing and or the tail is heavy and or does not have the equal weight, then the plane will go down on one side. The plane will be able to fly but not far and it will fall down fast.